I'm about 500% done with today and roughly 35% done with tomorrow. I'm filming in a new background. I feel like I need to be a little bit quiet because I got my little baby sleeping here, but we've got Loxy Bear here. We've got the fireplace going right there. We've got some cozy fall stuff going. I've whipped out this sweater, which I love. Don't even remember where I got it. I could not tell you, I'm sure. It's in a video somewhere. But we're gonna do today's Dollar Tree haul. I'm filming all this in one day, so is this Monday's video? I don't know, but happy Monday, whatever day it is, happy day to you. And let's just go ahead and dive in today. I feel like picking at utter complete randomness. So we're gonna grab these. I picked up some more wall decals, and these two are new. They did a mermaid theme again, but this time they switched it up a little bit, whereas the other mermaid one had a bunch of mermaid options. There's only one mermaid here, and her image is a lot bigger. So probably wouldn't do too well in a planner unless you just didn't have that much going on that week, but that's what I typically use these for. But look at these fun little fishies, a bunch of different colors, and then you also get some words. Here's this one, which I really like. It says, "You are my universe." I thought this would be great for a care package, so I might actually use this for the next one I'm sending out. And then I got some more of the jumbo letters. Don't sleep on these. These are going to be great for DIYs. They're going to be great for planning. They're just going to be great if you want to organize like pantry bins, make it look really farmhouse if you're into that white and black feature in terms of like cookie jars, flour jars, all of those things. This will probably look really cute if you created and you bought some of those like white plastic bins from Dollar Tree and you just labeled. Probably take a bunch of these labels because you only get, I see 2 E's in here. I see quite a few A's, so they are trying to give you a bunch of vowels, but yeah, don't sleep on these. Black sticker letters are just gonna be great for a lot of projects. All right, what's next? Grabbing a pack of stickers. I love hauling stickers. It's so fun to see what they come out with. There is a llama drama. It's kind of a combination of owls and peacock, flamingo, swan. It's really cute. It's kind of random a little bit. Some of them are rainforest, some of them I don't know. And then sloths. And look at him with the coffee cup. Jot released their new dots. I love these dots. I really do find these handy in terms of planning, and especially if you're into bullet journaling. These right here are gonna be great. And these are white, so it's kind of hard to see the circles in there. Those are gonna be great to just kind of customize your own. You could even draw like a house or a dollar sign for paying bills, or you know, a weight for working out, or glass of water, all of those things if you just want to fully customize your planning experience. I bought a pot mitt. I really love this because I love the pocket. These are pretty rare at Dollar Tree to have the pocket, and I have to tell you, overall the quality of this is amazing. Just feeling this, I know that this is a lot better than the standard pot holders that Dollar Tree puts out, because they don't typically put this rubber heat resistant material on the back. That's a rare thing. And I picked up a red spatula. So I've never seen these sold at Dollar Tree ever in the 18 years I've been shopping at Dollar Tree, but it is candle snuffers, and they come in silver gold, rose gold, and you basically put out the flame using these. I feel like these are very traditional and old school. I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. Got some double-sided tape. Found some new washi tape, but it's from Paper Tape. I don't know that I've ever heard of this company. It's probably a really good name brand. You get 2 rolls, and then it has a chalkboard surface on this one right here. Okay, I have no idea why I picked this up, but I found it and I was like, I have to show them this. It is the historical document posters. Like, look at that. And you get the United States Constitution. What else do you get in here? You get the Declaration of Independence and the Bill of Rights. I don't know, I just found that really cool and wanted to show you guys. I found a huge movie. This was actually out in theaters in a movie on a huge movie screen. This is Another Cinderella Story with Selena Gomez, and it was at Dollar Tree for $1. What? This is gonna be a great stocking stuffer, especially if, you know, whoever you're gifting for is a huge Selena fan. All right, found some new notebooks, but what's interesting is I only recently came across these. You get 3 to a pack. Here's the other pattern. And they're obviously very summery, right? You just do not get fall vibes whatsoever here. But I went ahead and wanted to get it to add to my collection because I have problems. I got a jar of buttons. This is gonna be for upcoming DIYs. All right, let's see. Okay, this is a game. It's called Brain Teaser, and I'm seriously intrigued. Challenge your mind. I'm not sure what is going on in there. You get those primary colors. You roll the marble through the puzzle from one side to the other. So this is the marble. Isn't that interesting? But this is gonna be a fantastic stocking stuffer. All right, I found some new DIY material at Dollar Tree, and by DIY I mean they literally are giving you a blank canvas so that you can DIY this any which way that you want. And they're picture frames, so here are the slots for your picture, and how cute is that, right? The heart, and then you could just Mod Podge the wood part and, you know, design it any which way. You could use scrapbook paper, you could actually use pictures, and instead of putting a picture in here, you could just do like a red construction paper and do a heart, and then maybe do black and white photos around here. I mean, there's just so many things. They even give you a little kickstand that goes right here so that you can set it on the tabletop. All right, let's see. I found some new charming little notebooks, and it's like alcohol. It's actually quite hilarious, and by Crown Jewels. So look at this. They're the copper mugs that I would typically think you would serve, what's that drink? I mean, I used to actually drink it a lot way back when. It has ginger ale, Moscow Mule. So these are what you would typically see a Moscow Mule served in. That's what makes the copper mugs so famous, and some of the really good copper mugs are really expensive. It's a little notebook, has 3 rings. I love that. I love that they didn't carry the rings all the way down. I think that it makes this so much more unique, and it is scary how almost real-like that copper mug looks. This one says spicing things up, and you can see they've got what looks like some sort of berry in there. And then this one says, I'll drink to that. And you've got some mint and some blackberry in there. I picked up some dry erase markers, kind of boring item, womp womp, but I have the Dollar Tree like weekly planner, magnetic weekly planner on my fridge, and I do plan out my meals. So I just needed some more black markers because I actually prefer the black now that I've been using some of the Dollar Tree dry erase markers. I've used the color ones that I've hauled for you guys, and I just prefer the black. They're just really good quality. The only thing is that they can tend to almost stain the magnetic board, but just don't leave your text up for too long. It should come right off, or I'm sure there's some type of cleaner that'll wipe it away. We have a slew of little notebooks, so I'll just kind of throw these up rather quickly, but this one right here, this one is the best one, and of all of them, I would highly recommend this one. Look how chic that looks. Here are the other ones in the same family. She's snoring. Y'all hear that, right? Anyway, how cute is this little notebook? How cute is she? Here's this one, Take Note. I'm loving all the gold foil here. And then these two are in the same family just because these have like a harder shell, whereas these are just kind of more flimsy. But here they are side by side. This one is really nice, but both of them are equally lovely. And I love the farmhouse feel to this one. And then these two, as you can kind of see, go together. They both have that pink side. And this one is my favorite. Although this one gives me 80s vibes. Achieve your goals. Can y'all hear me over that? This one, let's go traveling the world. Let's go traveling the world. Wouldn't it be let's go travel the world? More, well not more, but I found more of the pocket planners. When I found a couple of these and I showed it in a haul not too long ago, I was on a mission to find some more because I really found them to be super charming, and I did find more. This one is a flower theme, so that when you open on the inside, there's always going to be some sort of image. It's always going to be different. I don't know, I just found these to be really cute. I love that it's a pocket. I'm gonna throw it in my purse. I just gotta figure out which one I want for next year. This one has, what theme is this one? This one's just like landscapes, I suppose. Pathways, like look at this. Isn't that just interesting? Love it. Here's one that has emojis, hilarious. And look at that. I can't get over the fact that Loxie's snoring right now, like whatsoever. And the last one, beaches. This is, oh, let's get real. This is probably the one I'm gonna pick out of all of them. And then as you can obviously imagine, you're gonna get pictures of beaches throughout this. But just so that you know, this is a monthly planner only. You only get the month at a glance. And the very last item, it's a piece of decor. It's very farmhouse. It's shocking. What am I looking at? This is so cute. It's obviously like a laundry room piece of decor, which has Dollar Tree ever done that? Scanning my memory, I don't know that they have, but just up close, first of all, it's in the shape of a piece of clothing. So it's just very appropriate laundry guide. And then you can see all the icons that they're showing you. But I still think this little tabletop piece is a steal, and it's a must at Dollar Tree. All right, that's it. I've been whispering and I'm really sorry about that, but I just don't want to wake up Princess over here. She has it so good. I wish I could nap like that.